News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Saira Mujtaba giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Rights Authority, Office of the Principal Commissioner of Central Tax, Hyderabad, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Rajkot, Gujarat, Central Electronics Limited, Jawaharlal Nehru University, and Sainik School, Gwalpara, Assam. Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Rights Authority invites applications for filling up to post of registrar on deputation basis. Officers under central or state government or union territory or PSUs or university or statutory or autonomous organizations or Indian Council of Agricultural Development experience shall be eligible to hold office of registrar. The prescribed format of application along with further details regarding the position is available on the website www.plantauthority.gov.in. The last date of receipt of applications is 45 days from the date of advertisement in Employment News. Office of the Principal Commissioner of Central Tax, Hyderabad, Government of India invites applications from meritorious sportspersons who have represented the country or state or university in the international or national or inter-university tournaments for appointment to one post of tax assistant and one post of havaldar under sports quota. Further details regarding discipline of sports earmarked for recruitments, educational qualifications and other eligibility conditions are available at departmental websites www.cbic.gov.in and cgsthyderabadzone.gov.in. The application completed in all respects should reach on or before the 22nd of August 2022. For candidates domiciled in northeastern states, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Jammu and Kashmir, the applications should reach by 31st of August 2022. All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Rajkot, Gujarat is a central autonomous body formed by an Act of Parliament. The administrative ministry is Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana Division of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. AIIMS Rajkot adheres to AIIMS Act rules and regulations available on the website of the PMSSY and also on the website www.aimsrajkot.edu.in. The Executive Director, AIIMS Rajkot, invites applications from interested and suitable Indian nationals and overseas citizens of India for recruitment of the following faculty posts on direct recruitment basis. One post of Professor Anesthesia, one post of Professor Biochemistry, one post of Professor Dentistry, one post of Professor Dermatology, one post of Professor ENT, one post of Professor General Medicine, one post of Professor General Surgery, one post of Professor Hospital Administration, one post of Professor Microbiology, one post of Professor Nuclear Medicine, one post of Professor Obstetrics and Gynecology, one post of Professor Ophthalmology, one post of Professor Orthopedics, one post of Professor Pediatrics, one post of Professor Pathology, one post of Professor Psychiatry, one post of Professor Radiology, one post of Professor Transfusion Medicine and Blood Bank, two posts of Additional Professor Anesthesia, one post of Additional Professor Dermatology, one post of Additional Professor ENT, one post of Additional Professor General Surgery, one post of Additional Professor Nuclear Medicine, one post of Additional Professor Obstetrics and Gynecology, one post of Additional Professor Ophthalmology, one post of Additional Professor Orthopedics, one post of Additional Professor Pediatrics, one post of Additional Professor Psychiatry, one post of Additional Professor Radiology, one post of Additional Professor Radiotherapy, one post of Associate Professor Anesthesia, one post of Associate Professor Dermatology, one post of Associate Professor ENT, two posts of Associate Professor General Medicine, one post of Associate Professor General Surgery, one post of Associate Professor Hospital Administration, one post of Associate Professor Obstetrics and Gynecology, one post of Associate Professor Ophthalmology, one post of Associate Professor Orthopedics, two posts of Associate Professor Pediatrics, one post of Associate Professor Pathology, one post of Associate Professor Psychiatry, one post of Associate Professor Radiology, one post of Associate Professor Transfusion Medicine and Blood Bank, three posts of Assistant Professor Anesthesia, two posts of Assistant Professor Anatomy, two posts of Assistant Professor Dentistry, 1 post of Assistant Professor ENT, 3 posts of Assistant Professor General Medicine, 4 posts of Assistant Professor General Surgery, 1 post of Assistant Professor Microbiology, 1 post of Assistant Professor Nuclear Medicine, 4 posts of Assistant Professor Obstetrics and Gynecology, 1 post of Assistant Professor Ophthalmology, 3 posts of Assistant Professor Orthopedics, 1 post of Assistant Professor Pediatrics, 2 posts of Assistant Professor Pathology, 4 posts of Assistant Professor Radiology, 1 post of Assistant Professor Radiotherapy, and 2 posts of Assistant Professor Transfusion Medicine and Blood Bank. The aspiring applicants satisfying the eligibility criteria in all respect can submit their applications through registered speed post along with proof of payment so as to reach AIIMS Rajkot on or before 30 days of publication of the advertisement or notification in Employment News. For more details, log on to the website www.aimsrajkot.edu.in. Applicants can send advance copy of their applications submitted to the controlling officer on the specified email aims.rajkot.recruitment@gmail.com. Central Electronics Limited invites applications from eligible candidates for various positions in different disciplines on regular and contractual basis at Central Electronics Limited, CPSC under DSIR, Ministry of Science and Technology. 1 post of Senior Manager HR, 1 post of Technical Manager or Assistant Technical Manager Civil, 2 post of Purchase Officer, 2 post of Officer HRMS and ERP, 2 post of Personal Officer, 2 post of Accounts Officer, 2 post of Duty Engineer, 1 post of Senior Manager or Manager Marketing on contract basis, 1 post of Technical Manager Production on contract basis, 1 post of Assistant Technical Manager Cloud or Technical Architect on contract basis, 8 posts of Deputy Engineer on contract, 1 post of Assistant Manager Public Relations or Public Relation Officer on contract, 1 post of Officer Law on contract, 1 post of Security Officer on contract, 1 post of Manager HR on contract, consolidated pay, 2 post of Management Trainee HR on contract basis, consolidated pay, 1 post of Hindi Officer or Rajbhasha Adhikari on contract basis, consolidated pay, and 1 post of Engineer Trainee on contract basis, consolidated pay. Details of eligibility criteria and other terms and conditions are available on the website www.celindia.co.in. The last date of receiving applications by speed post or courier at CEL premises is 22nd of August 2022. No applications shall be entertained after the closing date. Jawaharlal Nehru University invites online applications from eligible candidates for appointment to the post of Associate Professor. The details of vacancies, qualifications, general instructions are available on the website www.jnu.ac.in. The last date of submission of online applications will be 1 month from the publication of this advertisement in Employment News. The candidates who have applied earlier are required to apply afresh. Any addendum or corrigendum shall be posted only on the university's website. Sainik School Gwalpara Assam, a residential public school run by Sainik Schools Society, Ministry of Defence, Government of India, invites applications for the following vacancies. 1 post of TGT English, 1 post of TGT Computer Science, 1 post of Medical Officer, 1 post of School Counsellor, 1 post of Art and Craft Teacher, 1 post of Band Master, 1 post of LDC, 2 posts of Matron, 3 posts of Ward Boy, 3 posts of Lab Assistant, 1 post of Nursing Sister Female, and 1 post of PEM or PTI cum Matron Female. Details of qualification, salary are available at www.sainikschoolgwalpara.org. The last date for submission of applications is 15th of August 2022. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for information in English, Rozgar Samachar for information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available every Saturday.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.